Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your HONOR Earbuds to Lite. And the first one, the classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the bottom of the charging case, we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. Now, the most important is this LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. The second option is to use USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it from your phone. It looks like this. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one to your charging case. Again, at the bottom we have it, so just connect it here. Now we need to check this LED light. We have it, so it also works. The third option is to use USB-A to USB-C cable. It looks like this. And you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your PC or another device with USB-A port. Now connect USB-C cable to the headphones. And I'm going to connect USB-A cable to my PC. But you can connect, as I said previous, to another device with USB-A port. Okay, I just did it, and again I see the LED light, so it also charging your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!